everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my new project today. This is a hand fan. Look at this. Look. This is made from the plastic bottles of the toilet cleaner or the bathroom cleaner. This is the plastic bottles. Look at this. Look. This is a floor cleaner from Diner Supermarket. This is Alswick Reiniger, means a floor cleaner. Okay, this is the plastic. Look at this. This is the handle. So I just cut out this one, remove this side, and cut out also here, and open here. And it looks like this. Look at this. Look at the back side. This is the back side. Look. This is the handle. Same as this. Look at the handle. And this is the handle. Okay. So when you open, you have to bend the plastic so that it becomes flat. And use the adhesive glue. And this is, no, I did not, sorry, I did not use the adhesive glue because this is a gift wrap cover. It's a golden with adhesive already on the back side. When you fix it on the plastic, it will stick it together. Look at this, okay? Look at this. This is the plastic. Look at this. This is the handle. Look, okay. It's look like a bat. You can use on the other side, and this is on the front side. And then I decorated it with a crystal lace on the both sides of this plastic to add beauty, and I attached some ornaments. And look at this. Okay, this is a very easy project and very costless. This is how to recycle your plastic bottles. So this is our main materials, plastic bottles. Scissor, just simply cut out from this portion and cut out here and open here. So when you open, I just bend the plastic and it looks like this. Okay, look at this. So this is the handle now. Okay, this is the handle here. Look, this is the handle. So this is the one. Okay, so this is a very easy project, a hand fan. And I have here another one, the same plastic bottles, this one. So the same as this. So you have to cut out this portion. Okay, cut out this side and remove this bottom and remove this top, and from this side you have to open it and it will look like this. Since it's Christmas time, so I just decorate it with some Christmas ornaments, the stars. And this cover is for gift wrapping. This is gift wrapping wrapper have already adhesive. When you fix it on the plastic, it will stick together. Okay, so just decorate it with any design you want. I just fix it with the ready-made stickers. This is just a stickers. If you stick it, it will stick to the cover. And look at this. This is the back side of the plastic. Look, when you cut out this plastic, just cut out here straight, remove the bottom and the upper side, and open it, and it will look like this. Okay, so this is very easy and very costless. Okay, so you can use also this one if you are grilling. So you can use this. This is a multi-purpose hand fan. So look at this. I have two design. This one, a golden one, decorated with crystal lace and some beads, multicolor beads. And this one is a red color, covered with red also, and decorated with some stars. So these two hand fan, look, this is the transformation from these plastic bottles of floor cleaner. Okay, so I hope you get an idea on how to recycle the plastic bottles and transform into a beautiful hand fan. So you can take this with you anywhere, and this is long lasting because this is plastic. You can take this one, you can put it in your bag, and you can bring this along with you when you travel, especially if you're riding in a bus or in a jeepney, especially in Asian country. So it's tropical, it's warm, so you can use this as your fan. Okay, so I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. So if you like this projects, just give a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my new videos. And in my channel, I'm sharing my skills and ideas, especially on how to recycle waste and transform into a unique and beautiful project. And in this way, by recycling, you can minimize your garbage, and we can help keep our environment clean and safe, and save the Mother Earth from pollution. Let us cooperate how to keep our environment clean. Greetings from SGM from Switzerland. Advance Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to everyone. So I hope you learn many things from my channel. I'm trying my best to upload videos every day, so don't forget to watch also my other videos of my travel blogs. I'm sharing my videos where I am traveling in Germany and Austria, here in Switzerland, and any other countries. Okay, I'm also cooking, and I'm sharing also some of my recipes. So I hope to see you next time. So stay tuned and stay connected. Keep watching. So this is all for today's project. So I hope this is helpful to you on how to create a simple but unique project out from waste material. Look at this. So you can take this anywhere you go. So you can take this fan, because this is very helpful to you. So, and also this one is very long lasting. Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay sa SGM Creations and Tutorial. Dankeschön, Efarestopoli. Merci beaucoup, shukran, shukriya. Og daghang salamat sa tanan. Ayaw kalimti og silip og otro diri sa akong sinihan. Okay, bye-bye. Auf Wiedersehen.